That was not good. Wait that whole time for a teal to present an opportunity, and I finally get one. Not capitalize. It's okay. It's okay. I got a shot at one at least. Man, that was a cool show they were putting on. I don't know. I figured I better take the one in the decoys. Oh, there's another group kind of setting up. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Might have to just let them land and then just see what they do. That one flared off. If I could just get some skirt over me. They're not tall. They're just hanging out too far, General. Here, 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 here. Got one. There it is. I'd call this a success, laying out for teal. Got one, just had to pick my shot right pretty much straight above me. They just won't quite decoy, and I have some idea why that would be. Just not quite the best height, but I don't know. A few of them were working in, so I think I can get a few more yet. Don't know if these are teal.